There's a lot going on regarding YouTube, again, messing around with its creators. The latest is the following email sent out to a large number of low subscriber, low view channels. I received one on another channel I just started creating on about a month ago. Its working title was The Basic Editor. January 16, 2018, Basic Editor. Today we are announcing changes to the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. While our goal remains to keep the YPP open to as many channels as possible, we recognize we need more safeguards in place to protect creator revenue across the YouTube ecosystem. What's changing? Under the new eligibility requirements announced today, your YouTube channel, Basic Editor, is no longer eligible for monetization because it doesn't meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with the YouTube Partner Program on February 20th, 2018, unless you surpass the threshold in the next 30 days. Accordingly, this email serves as 30 days notice that your YouTube Partner Program terms are terminated. One of YouTube's core values is to provide anyone the opportunity to earn money from a thriving channel. Creators who haven't yet reached this new threshold can continue to benefit from our Creator Academy, our Help Center, and all the resources on the Creator site to grow their channels. Once your channel reaches the new threshold, it will be reviewed to make sure it adheres to our policies, guidelines, and if so, monetization will be re-enabled. Okay, I get that YouTube has a PR problem, and that is scurrying around trying to pick up the pieces by instigating various solutions. Why do I care? I have over 60,000 subscribers and millions of views. I care as I've been there, spent tons of money and time to create my channel, and I still do it in exchange for a few dollars. As I was writing this, I also got another love letter from YouTube on my last video that covers drone propellers. Limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. Let me say this again, it's a test for some low noise propellers on a drone. So I hit a button to request a review. I get the message, review requested. Right now we are only able to review videos with at least 1,000 views in the past 7 days. We'll review your video once it reaches that threshold. I don't have a beef with YouTube, nor do I want to start a bash YouTube frenzy, as I realize for the first time ever in history, there's an opportunity for anyone to reach an audience, and I certainly don't do it for the money, of which there is little. That being said, I am also not afraid to speak my mind. So let me try and be as kind as I can when I say to YouTube, you need to get your corporate head out of your corporate arse, quit chasing after your creators, and invest in mechanisms that detect and handle the people who are abusing the system, and quit penalizing the ones that are not. I don't need some computer system or company looking over my shoulder to make sure I am ethical in what I do. I have never in 5 years had a single strike on my channel, and I've never posted anything that might be considered questionable except by the most idiotic of people. YouTube seems to have lost sight of the fact that once upon a time it was these little creators who helped make YouTube what it is today. If some idiot is posting trolling porn videos on YouTube, then detect and handle that, not penalize the creators who spend their time day in and day out for nothing to support you by instigating measures that penalize the good folks for the small percentage of people's wrongdoings. It is not our problem, it is your problem, and you need to solve your problem. When you send an email that tells people who are working hard to create a channel that you are taking away something they had because it's for the good of all, I'm gonna call you on it. With a little thought, you could have validated the creator, told them you are working it all out, some kind of message that would have helped encourage them to continue to use your platform, both for creation and viewing, instead of totally discouraging them. When I get a message that my video is not suitable for anyone, it is discouraging, makes me want to create less videos as it's a pain in the butt, as now I have to spend time to handle your false accusation. I can only imagine how these creators that don't meet your criteria feel. It's gotta be some kind of emotion like F YouTube, and let's not forget, these are also people that watch YouTube videos and are advertised to. All you are doing at the present is chasing your tail trying to fix your PR problem and penalizing those that are not the problem. I don't know if YouTube will watch this video or if anyone cares. Just take note. When you penalize those people who are not the problem, using measures to penalize those that are the problem, the people that are not the problem are the ones that suffer, and the people that are the problem don't care, as they will find a way to create trouble no matter what you do. That's all I'm going to say on the subject, and I'll return to my regularly scheduled programming tomorrow. Thank you.